bathroom. Can I use your bathroom?
Yeah, sure, it is her.
Okay, thank you.
Can I have orange juice, maybe exercise and jerky?
No, I don't have orange juice. I have only beer.
Oh, I don't like beer. Thanks.
Okay. Andrea, I want to check my Facebook. Can I use your computer? Sorry, Luca, I don't have internet in this moment. Okay, no problem. Thank you. It's very late. Goodbye, Andrea. Thanks.
Bye.